do something about it. Garlic healthy blood pressure formula works safely and naturally with a custom blend of
Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for pushing word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing word truthfully and sincerely as well too. I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. This is from the Los Angeles Times World News and Nations category, and it reads: Russia mounts a massive missile and drone attack against Ukraine following its retaliation promise. And this is from the Associated Press, August the 6th, 2023 at 10:07 a.m. Pacific time. It says Moscow unleashed a massive missile and drone barrage on western Ukraine on Sunday, following through on its promise to retaliate for a Ukrainian attack on a Russian tanker. It says Russia and Moscow shelling across the country overnight killed at least 6 people, officials say. Separately, Moscow's second largest airport briefly suspended flights early Sunday following a full drone attack near the Russian's capital. It says Ukraine Air Force said Russia launched 70 attack drones and missiles, including cruise missiles from the aircraft over the Caspian Sea and Iranian-made Shahed 136/131 strike UAVs. Shirhat Ring, deputy head of Ukraine's Khmelnytskyi region military administration, said 3 waves of missiles hit the Starkorovsky area, if I pronounced that right, damaged several buildings and igniting a fire at a warehouse. The strike may have been intended for the city's airfield, officials say. Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky said the officials of aircraft engineer manufacturers motors seized in the Zafarnara region has also came under attack. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 9. As we continue to see the escalations between the Russian and Ukrainians continue to heat up now, so more than ever, even though we're so used to that, but we definitely seeing the tensions are escalating now, so more than ever, continuously. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 9. But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not by and by. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 10, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. Then said he unto them, nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Los Angeles Times, as of August 6, 2023, and published by the Associated Press as well too. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for pushing the word truthfully and sincerity. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerity as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.